take it real soon.
Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video, I think. It might be on Amazon. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. And if it's their website, their link will be down below. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Hopefully I didn't cut nothing. There we go. What is this? Alrighty. Alright, it's a mystery package. Oh boy. I have no idea. Got some bubble. Gotta do for old time's sake. Aw. Aw, this is a new bubble wrap. Ah. No fun. Alright, let's see. Cut there. Alrighty. Whoa. We got a tablet PC. Gaming. Looks like Google Play. Movies. Kindle you can use. PDF. XGODY. XGODY. I think it's a website link, so either or, definitely check it out, see what other goodies they have to offer. So you're gonna have to enter your Wi-Fi password and all that good stuff. Make sure you have that ready, because we're gonna set this all up today and test it out. Definitely excited. So thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And like I said, YouTubers, be a nice Father's Day gift coming up. You got still time. Memorial Day sales going on, so definitely check them out. You can get one of these nice tablet PCs. Alright, right there. So there we go. Got USB, and we got here another USB, probably for other things. I got a little screen protector. Got the manual. We'll keep it out just in case. But it should be easy to set up. Pretty much, hopefully. Alright, right there. Right there's good. Right there. Ah, nice little guy. Alright, it's super lightweight, so not too heavy at all. Take this with you to school. Maybe for your business, social media, backup. Got a camera there. Pretty slim looking. Look at the glass. Look at that. Speakers. There I am. Got a camera. Front camera. And USBs right here. Power's right here. 1, 2. That was fast. Android Go Edition. Oh yeah, you could definitely watch pretty much everything now. HBO. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Not a lot of tablets do that. I'm definitely going to use this more for my security cameras, so I can watch, you know, the perpetrators crossing. So, I mean, this would be good, like I said, for cameras also. So, more than one thing it could be used for. Hi there. I'm going to have to enter my info. Yep. Give me one. Alright, guys, here it is. Got it on the display stand. So, really nice, though. Easy setup. Look at the little Google guy. Where did he go? He's like scooting across. I thought that was kind of strange, but touchscreen works great. Pop up easy menus. Just enter your Google account. Full screen. No. I don't want it. There we go. We're going to test out copyrighted music. So, I mean, yeah, definitely you can watch some movies. HBO Max. Oh, I already got emails going. I'm going to have to pause you guys because of the ad. Yeah, look at that. Sorry about the lights. Those look really clear. Sounds good too. Turn it up right here. Really nice screen. So the games will look amazing on this too. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Great Father's Day gift or a gift to yourself. Like I said, it'd be great for streaming movies, reading books, doing your social media, and also security cameras. It's always good to have an extra tablet. Easy to back up. So really cool though. Side controls. I think this is for a headphone jack. But definitely slim enough to fit in a school bag, travel bag. Definitely get some hours out of it. You probably could run an external hard drive, stuff like that. But for what I'm going to use it for, this is perfect. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. XGODY. Be safe. Have a good weekend.